Hi everyone, my name is Derek and welcome to GamerBody. In this video, I am doing a review on the U-POWEX resistance bands. Now I did an unboxing not too long ago regarding these bands, but I wanted to do a full review to show you what I think about the bands after using them for a little over 1 month. So the U-POWEX resistance bands are a set of 5 different resistance bands that also come with different attachments that I'll get into in a minute, but just note that these are bands that can help supplement your training routine to help you get bigger and stronger. Now I purchased the U-POWEX resistance bands on October 16th, 2019 from Amazon. So the U-POWEX bands come in at $22.97, but after California state taxes, they are showing as $24.75, and that is what I bought them for on Amazon.com. Now let's jump into what is included when you buy the U-POWEX resistance bands. So of course you will receive 5 colored resistance bands, and they go as follows. The yellow band is a 10-pound resistance band. The blue band is a 20-pound resistance band. The green band is a 30-pound resistance band. The black band is a 40-pound resistance band. And the red is a 50-pound resistance band. You will also receive 2 foam handles that can be attached via carabiner to the bands themselves. You will also receive 2 ankle straps that you can use. I actually tend to use these as additional handles, but they are actually ankle straps if you want to use them for their main purpose. You will receive a door anchor, as well as a workout guide or booklet. So now let's take a look at the pros and cons of the U-POWEX resistance bands. The first pro is the price. Overall, I think these are a very cheap piece of equipment. Not cheap in terms of their durability and being able to use for a long period of time. I actually think the value is very high, and the price is showing that. These bands I feel like are going to last me a few years, if not more, unless I switch them out with something else I think is better. But these bands so far have held up very, very, very well. They have no breakdown from what I've seen. And the price reflects that. Coming in only at $25, you really can't beat that for the quality band that you are receiving here. Now, of course, number 2 is quality. Now, I went over this in price breakdown, but the quality here is great. I have no tearing of the bands at all. They don't feel like they're ever going to break. Everything I've used so far seems like they're going to hold up for a very long period of time, and that is something I always look for when I buy this type of fitness equipment. Now, the next one is that they come with 5 different colored resistance bands, and they range from 10 all the way to 50 pounds. Now, of course, depending on where you have your hand placement, feet placement, whatever it is, it will change the resistance, but just the overall generic resistance helps you to determine which one you're going to pick, and also you can track them moving forward to say, oh, I used the red band this time, which is 10 pounds, or maybe I used the blue band. Whatever it is, you can track it and then progress it to get stronger with it over time. Now, one of my favorite things to receive is the door anchor, and this is a giant pro for these resistance bands. In the past, I had a door stop that actually got jammed in my door, making it so I had to break down the door in order to actually open it, which of course caused a lot of door damage. With this one, it's quite a bit thinner, so it's actually a lot harder for it to get jammed in my doorway. So I feel a lot safer using this with my door, and I highly recommend this door anchor. If you just want to use that and use it with the other bands, I actually think you could buy this separately, which would be pretty cool, because I really do like how thin and durable this door anchor is. Another pro is that it is very simple to use and set up. Again, all you're using is little carabiners to attach handles, or maybe you're using one of the loops to put it through the door anchor. But it is very, very easy to use and swap out pieces of attachments to the equipment and get the workout that you're doing done. And the last pro, and this goes for pretty much every resistance band, is that it is great for travel. These don't take up a lot of space. They even give you a nice bag to carry it around with. So you can put them in the bag, throw them in your knapsack or backpack, whatever you're taking on your travel with you, and get some nice workouts in. You might not be able to do a full workout without the proper weights that you're using before, but the resistance band can hold you over until you get back into all of your proper equipment. Now let's take a look at the cons list for the U-POWEX resistance bands. Now I don't have too many cons here, but coming in as my first con is that the bag that they give you is a little bit too small. I've had quite a bit of trouble stuffing the resistance bands, all 5 of them, along with the booklet, door anchor, and additional handle pieces and ankles pieces, I guess, into the bag itself. this can make it kind of annoying to stuff them all in there. If they made just slightly bigger, even like half an inch to an inch deeper, you could easily fit this all in. So that could have been one thing they update. Maybe they'll see this review and update it, but that is one small annoyance that I have with carrying it around using the bag provided. And the last con, it's not really a con meant for this product, but I've seen this being used a lot for resistance bands, and that is that they are not great at all for assisted pull-ups. These are not loop bands like the other ones you'll see for assisted pull-up bands, so do not use it for that. So again, this can't really, I guess, be a con for the U-POWEX bands, but just note, for resistance bands, you're going to want to look elsewhere if you're looking for some kind of a pull-up assistance equipment. And that is it for my cons, so not too many. The pros definitely outweigh the cons in this one, and I think you're going to see why as I go through my next two items of who should buy it and would I buy it again. So now, who should buy this product? If you are someone in the market for resistance bands for your home workouts, these are perfect. I would highly recommend these. Again, they're also under $25 as of right now on Amazon.com. So these are excellent. I, again, don't see them going to be breaking down anytime soon. Look super durable, are very cheap, and they do everything I need them to do and come with the attachments that make it easier for me to get all of the exercises completed. These bands were to replace my old bands that are no longer on Amazon, so it could help you find something that you can work for your home. I hope they don't take it off Amazon anytime soon for this product. But again, these basically are the exact same thing, just replacing those. And I gave those other ones a very high rating. And this one comes with a little bit better bag. While not perfect, it is a little bit better than the old one. So these are a little better overall. And coming in at under $25, these are a great pair of resistance bands because you can, again, attach multiple and really put a lot of resistance depending on the exercise you are doing. And the last question I always like to ask myself is, would I buy the U-POWEX resistance bands again? And the answer is absolutely. These bands, I think, are going to, again, last a very, very long time. I'm very happy with the choice of going with these bands. They were an Amazon choice at the time of purchase for this product. Depending on when you watch this, they may not be anymore. But I feel like these are a great, cheap pair of resistance bands. And if I can get some cheap ones to give to you guys that help you save money, that is amazing. So again, I highly, highly, highly recommend these ones. I actually did buy another pair of different bands I'm testing out right now alongside these. And we'll see if they do better. They are more expensive, but that doesn't mean that they are better than these in the end. I, again, really, really like these, and I'm giving them pretty much a full 5-star rating to finish off this video review. All right, and that is it on the review for the U-POWEX resistance bands. Again, I really do love these so far, and I hope they stay with me for years to come. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more reviews just like this one. Also, please head over to GamerBody.com. There you can see my entire training plan. That's right, I decided to put my entire training plan out there for free, so you can check out what I'm doing from home if you'd like to follow along with my current programming. You can also opt into the email newsletter to get 7 cheat codes sent to you on how to build muscle, burn body fat, and gain confidence, all from the comfort of home. And that is it for this video. So again, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.